Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So before we get started with this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn all notifications on. Without further ado, let's get started. Today's video is a tutorial on how to make an aesthetic Minecraft house. Before we start, here's everything that you'll need, pause if needed. Start by making a 15 by 11 block rectangle of your white concrete that is 4 blocks tall in total. After that, replace the inside flooring of grass with birch planks. Once you're done with the floor, cover the top or add a layer of white concrete. Don't add another layer on top of the wall that you've added already, just fill it up. Once you're done with that, go to the side that has 11 blocks and find the middle or the 6th block and add a hole for the door. Don't forget to replace the dirt with a birch plank. Then add these 3 long windows with your white stained glass on each side. On the other side wall, add a 3 long glass and 5 in the middle and another 3 on the other side. Let's head over to the back, add 3 long windows on the sides and 1 block of glass in the middle. On the other side, do the same thing that you did on the other side of the window, which is 3 on each side and 5 on the middle. Once you're done with the windows, add 4 tall posts on each corner on top of the box that you've already made and fill those up to make the walls. Then, of course, cover the top with white concrete. The same window pattern from the one that you did on the first floor. Now that we're done with the 2 floors, get white concrete and do this pattern of balcony that I'm doing here. So it is 5 extended basically, so 5 long, and you just want to make this a rectangle first. So then do this pattern. So on the first row you want to leave 1 block and break off the rest. On the second row you want to leave 2 blocks, break off the rest. On the third row you want to leave 3 blocks and break off the rest. And on the fourth row you want to leave 3 blocks, break off the rest. Then you want to repeat the same pattern on the other side of the figure, basically. So you just want to repeat this exact same balcony on the other side. Now that I'm done finishing the balcony, wait, I messed up, so we're refixing this, just add 1 more row. Okay, now I'm done doing the other balcony. Let's move on. Okay, now you want to count 3 blocks away from the top, 3 blocks away from the side on the top. So on each side, you're 3 blocks away from the very edge. And on the top, that's 4 blocks away. Once you're done with that, you want to fill it up with your white stained glass. Once you're done with the glass, you want to get Birk slabs and put it all around the skylight. Now let's head back to the balcony. We're gonna use some white stained glass paint as barriers. Just put them on like this so that when you go to the balcony you won't actually fall off. Do this to the other side as well. Now that we're done with that, we're going to get an iron door and a heavy weighted pressure plate and put this on the front door. Put the pressure plate on each side so that it's an automatic opening door. Do this to the balcony as well on the top floor. Now let's do the stairs. Just do this curved stairs that I'm doing. So basically you want to add 1 layer of quartz, smooth quartz stairs, and you can use any block to help you build them. I used white concrete, and then you want to use slabs. So it's kind of hard to explain, but you can see it here in the video. Now we're going to do the pool. So for this, you just want to dig basically the same pattern of the roof or the balcony basically above you. So that triangle pattern, that's exactly what I'm doing right here. And you want to dig this 3 layers deep. Now you want to cover the interior of this with birch planks. So that means the floor and the side walls. I did kind of mess up here because I made the grass or basically the walls too far away, so I adjusted that, as you'll see later. Then repeat this pattern on the other side. Once you're done with that, you're gonna get the water bucket and fill this up so that you have your pool. Repeat on the other side. There we go, we're done with the pool. Now we're going to go to, don't mind that was a mess. So now that we're done with those, you can decorate it and leave it up to yourself. I'll just let you guys do whatever you want. And as an example, here's mine. So I put a bunch of leaves around the pool and some plants, bushes on the back. I also put these flower beds on the front. Here's how the pool turned out. I like the simplicity of the leaves, but it also really looks nice. Here we are inside. So this is a little lounging area with some books and some flowers, and I put a pink carpet for a pop of color. Here's some chairs or couch. The kitchen has a nice view with all the leaves back there and the bushes, cake obviously. Then we're going to head up and we have these armors for display purposes, and then we have this chest, this 3 long bed basically, and this little chair with a desk. Here I'm going to show you guys the balcony. I didn't really add to it, and I like how plain it is. So of course everything is up to you to the decorating process. Okay, now I've decided to kill some sheep for no reason at all. Also, I have terrible aiming skills. So yeah, basically this is just for fun now. You can do anything you want in this house. You can even build more stuff in there and add to your desire. Basically, everything's up to you. I can't control y'all, so do whatever you want. You can add even a farm if you want, a planting area, more pools, jacuzzi, anything, literally anything you guys want. And yeah, so we're done with my little house tour and my little sheep hunting, and I hope you guys enjoyed, of course. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed. Also, I am taking suggestions from you guys when I reach 50 subs, and it's on my TikTok, or you can also comment on this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.